Okay, welcome back again. Okay, and again, here is the answers to the next set of questions. Okay, okay. Just make sure we can get this in so you can see it in full. Okay. Nothing worse than having half an answer, is there? I hated it myself as well, so I can't say much. Now again, write these answers out for yourself. Link them to the questions that you have been asked. Okay. I'm not going to do the work for you. You now need to do the work for yourself. What you write, your brain will remember. Remember that and keep it in mind. Now, again, not a lot of talking needs here to be done. You can see what fraction of the cases were male. Okay, you need to do the calculation for yourself. Make sure you got to the right answer. Do not just assume that you know it. You don't. If you know it, you wouldn't be in school. Okay. Now again, remember you can pause the video. Okay, so you can get a good look at your answers in full. Let me just pan back now, make sure that we can get it all in. Okay, just go on up, take it out of range completely. Okay, and then I'm going to come in. Okay, and play back into view. Okay, okay, it's excellent. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.